have with me Vinci Rufus, head of our digital strategy. Every customer is unique and different. I mean, how do you and your team go about figuring out what does this particular customer need? I mean, what's the kind of process? What are the kind of things that you do?
So most of these strategies that we've come up with are done during discovery phases. These are usually 3-week exercises that we work with. We embed ourselves with the customer. We spend a lot of time doing stakeholder interviews, talking to various people within the organization, people who are customer facing, people who are working on the product, people who are working in marketing, and not only working with the people from the company, we're also talking to the company's consumers. So we have been spending time working with, talking to the consumers. We go to their house, we spend time looking at how the brands is influencing them, how their behaviors adapt for the particular brand. We have spent time in stores, we spend time outside the stores talking to people, identifying what pain areas they have, what is it that they expect from the brand, and what is it works for them and what does not work for them. And we collate all that information together and then come up with a strategy for the particular brand.
And that's what we have often seen, right? Figuring out what is needed is always the harder part. Finally, the technology is the how part of it, which I think we are fairly good at anyways, right? So all of us know how to implement it once you know what to do.
Yeah, exactly. So that's why we call this as user experience driven strategies that we come up with. And I mean, we also make sure that we're not really influenced by technologies or brands as of yet, just focusing on the consumer and what the consumer wants.
I think as long as we're focused on the user, everything else falls in place, right? Perfect. Thanks so much.